Hey everybody, it's time to make some more videos. I haven't put some videos out in a long time, so it's long overdue. And so we'll see if we can come up with something that makes sense for people. Hopefully learn something along the way. So the first project I'm going to work on is a whole series of videos on kitchen cabinet making, at least the way I do it. This is not the one true way of doing this by any means. You may agree, disagree with the way I do it, but this is the way I do it. It works for me. So we're going to do some frameless cabinets. They are going to be case sides made out of melamine. So we'll go through the process of laying out with some software called Cabinet Planner. Once we get that done, we'll go into breaking down those sheet goods and some different methods that somebody could use to do that. From there, we'll go into further processing of the sheet goods through edge banding and some different processes of edge banding, along with layout of the hole drilling for the doors, the drawers, and all that kind of stuff, and how to lay that out, and some ways to do that. And I think I've got some ideas that somebody can do it relatively inexpensively in their own shop, or garage, or basement, or wherever you choose to work. From that point, we'll probably go into, I'm doing some different options for drawers, just because of the way supply chains are now. Some things are really hard to get a hold of, so I've changed this particular cabinet or kitchen up a little bit for that. We will do some doors and some drawer fronts. This actually the one that I'm doing right now. We're going to actually order them through a local supplier that is more competitive than I can ever be on building those. But we'll go through the process of, if you want to build your own, how you'd be able to do that, how you can source some of that stuff out. So, and then we'll finally get into some installation and finishing of that kind of stuff. So hopefully I can save you some money along the way, maybe show you a few things that might save you some time. And yeah, so here, let's get this series started.